Here at Dehumidifiers UK, we are proud to say we have the largest range of domestic and commercial dehumidifiers for the UK market. Our range includes both desiccant and compressor portable dehumidifiers and range from 350 millilitres per day capacity mini dehumidifiers through to 150 litre per day high capacity dehumidifiers. Our extensive range means that we cater to practically any requirement for the home, office, warehouse or storage unit. Our best-selling range includes the Miko DD8L Domestic Desiccant Dehumidifier, a compact, light and quiet dehumidifier which dries air and laundry as well as prevents condensation and mold forming. The Miko DD8L is a dehumidifier perfect for domestic use. The EBAC Industrial Products BD150, which is a 110 volt or 240 volt, 30 litre per day commercial dehumidifier, is perfect for commercial use. It's suitable for drying plaster paint, concrete carpets, timber and wall coverings. The EBAC Industrial features a single speed fan, high performance continuous drainage facility and comes with a 12-month guarantee as standard. For more information on our range of portable dehumidifiers, please contact a member of our customer services team who will be happy to assist.